Welcome to this complete guide on breadfruit, one of the most underappreciated yet powerful tropical trees. Known locally as Sima halesu, this fruit not only serves as a food security crop but also holds potential for income, nutrition, and climate resilience. In this video, we will learn everything about breadfruit, from its origin and varieties to how to grow it, how it helps farmers, and where you can buy it. Breadfruit is a tropical tree in the same family as jackfruit and mulberry. Its botanical name is Artocarpus altilis. It produces large, round fruits that are rich in starch, which is why it's often used like potatoes, boiled, roasted, or fried. The name breadfruit comes from its texture. When cooked, it tastes like fresh-baked bread. Breadfruit originated in the South Pacific Islands thousands of years ago. Polynesians brought it to other tropical regions, and today, it is grown across Asia, the Caribbean, Africa, and coastal India. In India, it is mainly seen in coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and the Andaman Islands. It thrives in hot, humid climates with good rainfall. The breadfruit tree is medium to large-sized, growing up to 15 to 20 meters. It has large, glossy, lobed leaves that give it a beautiful appearance. Once established, the tree is strong, drought-resistant, and can live for 50 to 70 years. Each tree can yield up to 200 to 300 fruits per year when mature. Breadfruit is highly nutritious. It's rich in complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and vitamin C. It has a low glycemic index, which is good for blood sugar control. It contains potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of protein, making it excellent for balanced diets, especially in rural and tribal communities. There are over 100 varieties of breadfruit in the world. But they mainly fall into two categories. First method seedless types, used for food and cooking. Second method seeded types, fruits have edible seeds. Some globally known seedless varieties are Maafala, dwarf type, high yield. Ulu Fidi, vigorous and large-sized. In India, we usually grow local seedless varieties propagated from suckers. Breadfruit is best propagated through root cuttings or suckers. It doesn't grow well from seeds, especially the seedless variety. To propagate. First method: cut a healthy root from a mature tree. Second method: grow it in nursery soil or polybags. Third method: after 3 to 6 months, transplant to the main field. Nurseries or horticulture departments sell saplings raised from root cuttings. Ideal planting season is just before monsoon, May or June. Dig a pit of width 60 into 60 centimeters, depth 60 centimeters, and fill it with topsoil, then compost and good loam soil. Spacing between trees should be 8 meter into 8 meter. Water immediately after planting and mulch the base with leaves or straw to retain moisture. Watering is needed in the first 1 to 2 years. Once established, the tree survives on rainfall. Add compost or cow dung manure twice a year. If required, you can give light doses of NPK fertilizer, but organic methods are better for long-term health. Prune dead branches yearly and shape the tree for better airflow. Breadfruit is generally pest-resistant. But some common issues include fruit flies, scale insects, fungal rot in wet soil. Solutions: use neem oil spray for pests. Ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Keep the base clean from weeds. Breadfruit trees start yielding in 3 to 5 years. Each tree can produce 50 to 200 fruits depending on age and care. Fruits are harvested when they become slightly soft and skin changes color. Use gloves while harvesting, the sap is sticky. Harvesting seasons in India. June to August. January to March. Breadfruit is very versatile in cooking. It can be boiled and eaten with curry. Cut and fried like chips. Roasted in open fire. Made into flour for roti or dosa in Kerala and Karnataka, it is a seasonal delicacy enjoyed during monsoon. Breadfruit sells at 30 rupees to 100 rupees per fruit in markets depending on size and season. One tree can give 3,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees worth of fruits yearly. Because of low input costs and long life, it's a profitable crop for marginal farmers and homesteads. Breadfruit flour and chips also have export demand. You can buy breadfruit plants from state horticulture departments, local nurseries, especially in coastal regions, and online sellers. Make sure the seller provides root-cutting based plants, not from seed. Krishi Vigyan Kendras, KVKs, and ICAR institutes sometimes offer training on tropical tree crops like breadfruit. You can also apply for horticulture schemes under National Horticulture Mission or state agri departments. Contact your local agriculture officer or horticulture department for subsidy or technical support. With changing climate and rising food demand, breadfruit can be a food security crop. It grows in poor soils, gives high calories, and requires low maintenance. It can replace rice or wheat in many rural areas and supports agroforestry models. Some organizations are now promoting breadfruit as a climate-resilient superfood. Breadfruit is more than just a fruit, it's food, income, and sustainability in one tree. If you're a farmer with some land in a tropical area, try planting a few breadfruit trees. With little care, it can feed your family and earn money for decades. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you've grown breadfruit or have any questions. See you in the next video.